Bless Network is a deepin similar to Grass. For being eligible for airdrop from Bless Network, head over to the link in the description. Now add the Bless Chrome extension and login with your account, and then you can see the active node shown as connected in the dashboard. As you know, Grass Network had raised $4.5 million and have given a huge airdrop. But here Blockless have raised $8 million, almost double that. And we are expecting a large airdrop soon. As for the price, on the current market conditions, Grass Network have a price of $3 with a market cap of almost $700 million. We can expect something similar for Bless Network. Stay tuned for more updates.